Good job, buddy. Almost, Charlotte. Basketball hoop. Good job, buddy. Watch out, Sissy's trying. Good job, Charlotte Ann. Yay. Good job, buddy. Almost. Good job. Whoa, good job, Charlotte. You guys are so good. Good job. Almost, Charlotte. Whoa, where'd it go? You better get it, Baba. Where'd the blue one go? Does Sissy have it? Oh, does Sissy have it? Uh-oh. You've got the basketball. Come over here and shoot it. Watch out, buddy. Don't fall. Watch me. Sissy says, watch me. Oh, almost, Charlotte Ann. Almost. Okay, buddy. Shoot that basketball. Almost. Papa, don't move it. Sissy's trying to shoot the basketball. Oh, there you go, Charlotte. You got one over there. Hey, buddy, don't move the hoop, okay? I'm watching you. Yay! Good job, Charlotte Ann. You are so clever. Bubba, are you done playing basketball? You can come back and play basketball, Christopher? Okay. You gonna shoot again, Charlotte, or no? Okay, say bye-bye.